78. All right, guys, so here's the room. And so the first thing, you walk in, so there's like a full-length mirror here. And there's a door here, which is probably for like a joining room. Obviously, we don't know anybody over there. And then almost hidden, so here's the mirror, closet. So it's a pretty decent size actually. So we have all our junk in there now. And we're only staying for one day and we look like we're staying for like 5. So, and then you have the thermostat here. We like to sleep in the cold, so I put the air on 67. So let's look at the bathroom. For the first thing here is, this is like, and I don't know why this is not turning on. So there's motion sensors. So this is a good thing and a bad thing. If you get up like in the middle of the night, and so people are sleeping, there's a curtain here that you can close on the other side. So I would advise that you do it, because if you get up to use the restroom in the middle of the night, these things are gonna go off, which right now they're actually not going off, which is a little weird. Okay, so I think these are like defective in here, but the bathroom ones did go on. So we have a sink here. So there's an extra toilet paper. There's these little cups, tissues. This is a blow dryer. Over here we have like face towels, hand towels, and then more tissue. So then we have the sink. And if you're like into water pressure, like I don't like very light water pressure. It's pretty decent in here, so it's pretty good. They give you a facial soap here, Stella Nova brand, Universal brand, a mirror, and then this has like lights around here that you can turn on, and it also has the light up here. Wow, that blinded me for a second. And then here's the bathroom. So I already used the restroom, so that's why the light's on. But if you can see, there's a little sensor, it's like going off. So I think you're supposed to be able, okay, yeah. You're supposed to be able to turn it off, but I think it's still gonna turn on if you come in here later. So I'll have to test that and then get back to you guys and tell you what exactly it does. But I've been hearing a lot of controversy with the motion sensors. So yeah. This is a pretty decent sized bathroom. What I like about this, and I like that hotels are starting to do this, they're separating the sink from the toilet and the shower, because in the morning, like if you're here with more than one person, or even if you're here with like one person, you don't have to like, oh, I need to wash my hands, let me go in the bathroom, and then somebody else is waiting to get in, or someone wants to brush their teeth in the morning, but then someone wants to take a shower or use the restroom. So you can do those things separately, and I like that. And I'm also super into the fact that there's a shower in here and not a bathtub. This door does move. This one moves, but okay. The other one doesn't. The other one is just stationary, which is fine. I mean, that's not a big deal. And then you have 2 little racks here, hang your towels. So we have the shampoo and conditioner here. Cosmic Ember. I'm gonna have to see what that smells like. I'm not gonna wash my hair, but I still wanna see what it smells like, and I'm gonna step in here for a second. There's soap in here. Okay, this is bath soap. So the other one was facial soap. This is the bath soap. And I love this wall color because this is the inside color of my house. So super nice. But my favorite part is coming. So they have like a nice little carpet here. I guess if you walk barefoot or in socks, I don't. But you have a nice little soft carpet. There's like a hardwood floor. I'm not sure if this is vinyl or if this is hardwood floor. It looks like it could be luxury vinyl. So we have the standard, the 2-queen room, and the beds are pretty big. I have heard that they are super comfortable. This is a light as well, which I know I've seen this. This is super cute. I mean, I don't know how much it lights, But if you don't want like too much light in the room, it's a nice, you know, it's a nice light. Or night light or something. I don't know. I don't know about night light though. Here's a little mini fridge. So let me see. Okay. So this is a nice little mini fridge. I mean, if you have like, you know, medications or something. I don't know why it's like crooked in there. That's weird. Any medications or whatever drinks that you have that you want to keep in the fridge. There's an ice bucket, and then I'll show you guys later where the ice machines are at. This is for coffee. It's not a Keurig, but it's easy. If you know how to use this, it's pretty easy. It does come with, so they have some decaf here and regular. If you want more decaf, you can always ask them for it downstairs. And they also have a Starbucks in this hotel. So like in the cafe, they do make Starbucks drinks. So, and then here we have some junk here already. Camera stuff. Here's like the drawers. They're a pretty good size actually. So they're not bad. So I'll probably put like my camera stuff in there or whatever. And then here's the regular phone. And then here's just talking about express checkout, laundry. There's no smoking. It says if you do want to smoke in your room, it costs you a minimum of $250. And then only towels left hanging will be refreshed. So if you want your towel to be changed, make sure you hang it up and they'll change it. So yeah, they have this also. We have a lot of chargers, USB, USB-C, regular. There's a nice little size sofa here if you want to sit here and probably eat your lunch or dinner, or just sit here and work on videos like we're probably going to be doing. Here's the middle accent table here with a little lamp and a little clock. The TV remote. This is padded right here in case you want to know. So this part is hard. This part is padded. So if you want to lean back on this, it is padded here. And I like that they have these little accent pillows. I think they're really cute. Those are cute. And then there is a drawer here, of course, with the standard Bible. And what I really, really, really like about this is that these are supposed to be, from what I've heard, I will confirm, this is supposed to be a real image from NASA. So that's absolutely beautiful. I want to point something out that I really like that could probably be kind of random, but I really, really like this little table. If you can see this, like the colors on this are so nice. Like I'm super into the smallest details. And this is like a small detail, but it's so cool. Okay, this is the best thing of the whole room. So I want to show you guys. So shout out to the lady whose name I will definitely put in this video because Edwin spoke to her. I was waiting in the car, but she really hooked us up and made sure that we had the highest floor, which we requested, and that we had a perfect view of Epic Universe, because there it is, right across the street. And we're gonna have a separate video for you guys, and we're actually gonna do a time lapse of Epic Universe, and we're also gonna show you like all the rides being tested. We're gonna show you night views, the day views. We're gonna show you everything. So obviously, all eyes, besides on Stella Nova, which is why we're here, all eyes are on Epic. To be honest, we really wanted to have a clear view of Epic Universe, and like honestly, they delivered. I mean, this is just like, it is perfect. Now I don't know if you guys can see, Stardust Racers is actually going off. That's so cool. And I can actually see the rides from the Isle of Burke. That's how perfect of a view we have right here. It is absolutely awesome. So again, there's 3 options. If you want to be close to Epic Universe, there's Stella Nova where we're at. Terra Luna is on the other side of this. So this is still Stella Nova right here. But Terra Luna's on the other side. And Terra Luna is what we're going to show you guys next week when we stay there on grand opening day. So yeah, guys, there's going to be more to come. If you want to see the rest of Stella Nova, we're gonna be recording the entire grounds, and then I think we're probably gonna go to Universal for a little while. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog.